What's up everybody, my name is Josh Quillen. Today's video is a little bit different. This is an archive video from Warner Brothers Movie World in Australia. One of the opening day attractions of this part studio, part theme park was a tram tour through its studio, much like Universal Studios Hollywood and Universal Studios Florida when those parks first opened. In addition, there was a walking part of the tour where there was audience participation through multiple special effects stages where the audience would get a behind the scenes look at how movies were made. This is an archive VHS tape from 1992 of some of the special effects stages and that tram tour.
Complete in Reeboks. She's making her way up to her room to turn in for the night. Little does she know that this evil villain, also in his running shoes for his getaway, and the laugh, sir. Well done. And cut. Give them both a big take two. And action.
Like a sneaking.
And cut.
Equipment is kept and maintained by Samuelson's Film Service, the world's largest film equipment suppliers.
15-story building, and we chose 3 people who are going to be professional by the time they get into stage 2, professional at making sound effects, and they're going to make sound effects for the movie Lethal Weapon 2.
Our imagination. Let me introduce you now to someone who's quite at home on the blue screen from...
That was too close to comfort. Can somebody please get me some water? When I said water, I meant to drink up. Nice touch, guys. Well, as you can see, special effects can take you anywhere, anytime, without ever leaving the studio.
Tripod. These cameras rotate to change the angles on the suit. Big wave, Eddie. Watch where you're going. Okay, Eddie, we're heading over a golf course. Would you like to show us your beautiful whistles? That's the way. And that water down there looks really appealing. Would you like to show us your swimming skills? How about the freestyle stroke? Very smooth. How about the breaststroke? Okay, Eddie, we're about to head out to sea, so give us one big wave goodbye before you leave us.
Well now, hydraulic activator, or better known as a... Sorry, what was that, Gary? Just answer the question, don't call me Roger, Gary, and it's sir to you. To no return, no, to the camera, it's behind you. Inside the plane there, dummy, stand around, co-pilot. Look left, left there, left, look up, up, just remove that. Pull up, Memphis Bell, pull up, get out of there, right now. Pull up, Memphis Bell, get outside, help around, Gary, what are you doing up there? Sneakers. And thanks to all of you for letting us share through some of the wonderful things that go.
Faye Dunaway in Bonnie and Clyde. Laura San Giacomo in Quigley. Greta Scacchi in Burke Wells. Kim Messenger in That Bear. And the suit worn by Rex Harrison in My Fair Lady. And the beautiful gown worn by Shirley Jones in Music Man. Beautiful. Now there are over 200,000 costumes.
Smile, Gizmo. Big smile. Big smile. There you go.